Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math. We're going to be solving this Olympiad problem you are seeing right there on the screen. And so what we have is x times x plus x here is equal to 30. Okay, so we're going to delve into this, but just before we proceed, if you are new to our channel, do what to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and then of course turn on the notification icon so that whenever we release new content you will get to know about it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, and then like this video even as we proceed. Okay, so having said that, we're going to delve into this. So the first thing I want to do is actually to apply the BODMAS principle or the BODMAS rule, which I'm going to be simplifying this multiplication right here. So x times x here is actually going to be giving me x power 3. Okay, so plus x here is equal to 30. Okay, so I can actually subtract 30 from both sides, and if I do that, I'm going to be having 3x power 3 plus x minus 30 is equal to 30 minus 30 here is 0. Okay, so moving on, I can actually go ahead to simplify this 30 right here. So I can actually write this 30 as 27 plus 3. Okay, and of course it's equal to 0. Okay, so moving on, this is x power 3 plus x minus 27. Okay, and then of course minus 3 is equal to 0. This is x power 3 plus s. I can actually write this 27 here as 3 power 3. Okay, minus 3 is equal to 0. So I can actually go ahead to group similar terms. So I have that this is x power 3 minus this 3 power 3 right here plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so we're actually going to be simplifying this off right here. And if you can remember that if you have a difference of two cubes, that is a power 3 minus b power 3, you can actually expand this to be a minus b, and then of course multiply by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so and of course in this case a is equal to x and then b is equal to 3 right here. So applying that here, what I'm going to be having is x minus 3, okay, into x squared plus 3x, okay, and then of course plus 3 squared, and that will give equal to 9. Okay, so plus this one right here, x minus 3, and it's all equal to 0. So that if you watch very well, I've got some like terms right here. I can actually factorize this x minus 3. Okay, so if I do that, I have this stuff left right here, x squared plus 3x plus 9. Okay, plus if I factorize x minus 3 right here, 1 will be remaining, and it's equal to 0. Okay, so from here this implies that x is minus 3 is equal to 0, or this stuff right here, x squared plus 3x and then plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so we're going to be solving both of them, and if we do that, this first one we have right here, so let's term this I and then this one I. So obviously you can see that from here x is equal to 3, and that's going to be the first solution to this problem, x equal to 3. So this is for I, and then if we solve for I, what we're going to be simplifying is x squared plus 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. But then because we are interested in getting the real value of x that is actually going to satisfy the problem we are solving, so we just go ahead to compute the discriminant of this quadratic equation and then find out whether it has a real root. Okay, so the discriminant is given by this b squared minus 4ac. So we want to find out whether this is going to be greater than 0. Okay, the question we are solving, which is x squared plus 3x and then plus 10. You can see here that b is equal to 3, so we have 3 squared, which is equal to 9, minus 4 times a is equal to 1, and then times 10, which is equal to our c right here. So this is 9 minus 40, and that is actually going to be giving you minus 31. I can see that it is strictly less than 0, so we can conclude that this case, that the case 2 here, which is x squared plus 3x plus 10 equal to 0, does not have any real solution. Okay, so that being the case, we can just resort to the first value of x, which is equal to 0, which we've actually gotten, and then of course when you put that in the problem we are solving, you're actually going to be seeing that it does satisfy. So you can just go ahead to check that x multiplied by x multiplied by x. Okay, and then of course x is equal to 30. So if you put 3 right here, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, okay, plus 3, would that give equal to 30? Obviously 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, plus 3 here, and that is equal to 30. Okay, so that satisfies the problem. And then of course let me have your thoughts in the comment section. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.